And now your weather with meteorologist Gino Recchia.
Those strong winds this afternoon really transported some milder air up into the lower to mid and even upper 70s, close to 80 degrees in Waupaca and Watoma this afternoon, 74 in Green Bay, 75 in Oshkosh. The lakeside areas were a little bit cooler, but it was a relatively beautiful day to kick off the work week on May 9th today. We did have those gusty southeast winds approaching 40 to 50 miles per hour, but the sun was shining. A little bit of some high-level cirrus clouds filling in here from the northwest from this powerful area of low pressure. There were some scattered showers and thunderstorms in the first half of the day as this warm front boundary slowly moves northward. Now this cold front is going to be sparking off some showers and thunderstorms, some of which are on the severe side this evening, and there is an enhanced risk for severe weather in the Twin Cities, towards La Crosse and the western part of the Badger State. We are currently under a tornado watch over parts of western Wisconsin, several tornado warnings north of Minneapolis, and multiple severe thunderstorm warnings. This cluster of thunderstorms will be advancing eastward over the coming hours, and as it does so, once the sun sets, this line of thunderstorms will start to break apart. So by the time it reaches our area, it doesn't look to be too substantial. You see how that slight risk of severe weather quickly turns over to a marginal risk and then a general thunderstorm outlook. What the Storm Prediction Center is pinpointing is as that line of thunderstorms gets closer into the Fox Valley, it's going to weaken and it's going to get under that severe criteria. Now, that doesn't mean that we can't have a couple rumbles of thunder, some brief heavy downpours, or maybe some small hail, but organized severe weather right now is not expected for tonight. Our high-risk future radar product is showing as that line approaches, you see a lot of those white colors, that's representing that heavy precipitation. It starts to fade away as it gets closer into the Fox Valley. So that's the weakening trend of this line of thunderstorms. We could have some brief heavy downpours, a couple rumbles of thunder, but nothing too severe. Now, as we head into tomorrow, that could be a different story. Right now, we're under a slight risk for severe weather, and it looks like sometime between 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon, we'll have some pop-up showers and storms capable of some hail, gusty winds, and maybe even the slim chance of a tornado. This is a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow, pinpointing the southern half of the viewing area across the entire Fox Valley. Slight risk, hail, gusty winds, and also tornado is possible, so something we'll be monitoring very closely. Temperatures right now in the upper 60s and low to mid 70s, except off towards the Watoma and Waupaca, where we have highs in the upper, the upper 30 or upper 70s. Winds coming in out of the southeast at about 30 to 50 miles per hour. Right now, the strongest wind gusts, Green Bay, 49 mile per hour wind gusts. We've got 47 up in Pembine and 44 in Sheboygan, 48 in Oshkosh, and 41 in Fond du Lac. Winds will continue to stay breezy for the next couple of hours, and then they'll start to subside as you head into later tonight, with gusts getting down to about 15 miles per hour later as temperatures cool off into the lower 60s. Southeast winds at 5 to 15 miles per hour, some isolated scattered showers and storms. Then for tomorrow, we'll get up to near 80 degrees with those showers and thunderstorms rolling in the afternoon hours. If we see the thunderstorms earlier in the day, that 80 degree could probably be a 75. But if we hold off to about 4 o'clock or so, we could easily get to near 80 degrees in the Fox Valley. Southeast winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. 7-day forecast will continue into the mid 70s on Wednesday. 86, that's going to be the warmest day of the year. 84 on Thursday or Friday, and then down into the upper 70s on Saturday with additional chance of showers and storms, followed by some 60s. It looks like a little cool down moving in here as we head into the end of the weekend and into early next week. Well, that's a look at your 7-day forecast. We'll be back after the break.